Every year, people lose billions in crypto. And here's the twist almost nobody tells beginners. Most of them didn't lose it because the price crashed. They lost it because of where they kept it. They bought the right coins. They were even up. And then it vanished. Hacked. Frozen. Fished. Gone. And there's no support line to call. No bank to reverse it. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you the 3 ways people actually lose their crypto, the difference between owning it and just hoping you get to keep it, and exactly how the smart money stores it so it becomes almost impossible to steal. Because buying crypto is the easy part. Keeping it is the skill nobody teaches. Let's start with one sentence that will change how you see this forever. Not your keys, not your coins. When you leave your crypto on an exchange, you don't actually hold it. The exchange does, on your behalf. You have an IOU. And as long as that's true, you're trusting that the company doesn't get hacked, doesn't freeze your account, doesn't go bankrupt, and doesn't lock you out. We have watched every single one of those things happen, to platforms people swore were too big to fail. So let's break down the 3 ways crypto actually disappears. 1. The exchange itself. Hacks, freezes, sudden maintenance where withdrawals just stop. If your coins are on there, their problem instantly becomes your problem. 2. Phishing. A fake email, a fake site, a fake support message. You type your details once, and someone empties everything in seconds. And 3. Your own setup. Storing your passwords and recovery words in a screenshot, in your email, in your Notes app, anywhere connected to the internet. If a hacker can reach it, eventually they will. So what do serious holders do instead? They take the most important part, the keys, completely offline. And that's the whole idea behind cold storage. A hot wallet is anything connected to the internet, an app, an exchange, a browser extension. Convenient, but exposed. A cold wallet keeps your keys on a device that never touches the internet at all. Hackers work through the internet. Take the keys off the internet, and you take away their weapon. The tool I personally use for this is a ledger, a hardware wallet. Your private keys are created and locked inside it, and they never touch the internet. So even if your computer is crawling with malware, your crypto stays safe. When you want to move funds, you physically confirm it on the device itself, with a button press. So no hacker anywhere can approve a transaction without that device in their hand. It works with every major coin and the apps you already use. If you're holding for the long run, this is the difference between owning your crypto and just hoping you get to keep it. It's linked in the description. Now, let me give you the simple system that ties it all together. Step 1. Keep only what you're actively trading on the exchange, the amount you're okay having exposed. Step 2. Move your long-term holdings, the stack you're not touching for years, into cold storage. Step 3. Write your recovery phrase on paper or steel and store it somewhere safe and offline. Never type it into a website. Never take a photo of it. Anyone who asks you for it is trying to rob you. No exceptions ever. And one mindset shift that makes all of this click. In crypto, you are your own bank. That sounds intimidating, but it's the whole point. No one can freeze you. No one can inflate your savings away. The flip side is that the responsibility is yours. And responsibility here is just a fancy word for a few simple habits you now already know. Quick note, this is education, not financial advice. But if this just saved you from a mistake that empties people's wallets every single day, subscribe, because the next videos are going to keep making you the calmest, most dangerous investor in the room. Protect your keys, and you protect everything. I'll see you in the next one.